Does NutraSurreal Forskolin diet work? At the present time, there's no sign that NutraSurreal Forskolin diet pill works. Since there's no examination out on this recipe. To be reasonable, most weight reduction supplements never get considered. However, when we can't locate that real measure of forskolin the item utilizes, we wish there was an investigation to allude to. What we're endeavoring to state is, there is no confirmation that NutraSurreal Forskolin supplement can really enable you to get more fit. Besides, we're suspicious that it's utilizing the appropriate measure of forskolin. Since most forskolin supplements utilize the business standard amount of 20%. Furthermore, for this situation, the NutraSurreal Forskolin mark doesn't list the amount it employments. That makes us stressed that it's insufficient to do anything. That is the reason we prescribed the forskolin pill above. All things considered, that one holds the best spot, which is as it should be. NutraSurreal Forskolin Pills Review. Contains 60 capsules per bottle. Supposed to use forskolin extract. Exclusively online, not in stores. Not clinically proven to work now. Go see if it made the #1 spot today. NutraSurreal Forskolin Ingredients. Like we stated, we trust that NutraSurreal Forskolin utilizes forskolin extract, here and there known as Coleus forskolii. This concentrate originates from the foundation of the Indian Coleus plant. Along these lines, it should be a characteristic concentrate. Furthermore, when utilized at the perfect sum, there's some proof it may most likely help lessen how much fat your body stores. Be that as it may, we don't have the foggiest idea if this equation utilizes the perfect sum. Furthermore, that implies it's bad enough for us to suggest. We like to see items that adhere to the business standard sum or more. Also, for this situation, we're not in any case beyond any doubt NutraSurreal Forskolin pills achieve the business standard sum. Along these lines, we're stating go get the #1 forskolin pill above, which is as it should be. Go look at it before provisions run out. NutraSurreal Forskolin side effects. Regular weight reduction supplement reactions incorporate stomach aches, stoppage, the runs, migraines, muscle issues, and butterflies. These are everything to pay special mind to when utilizing NutraSurreal Forskolin formula. We're not saying this equation will 100% reason reactions. Be that as it may, we are stating that we don't think enough about it to state it won't cause symptoms. What's more, we generally advocate for being protected as opposed to too bad.